Imagine a small village in India, mango trees, golden fields, and smiling farmer Ram. For generations, Ram's family grew crops naturally, but yields were modest. Then, fertilizers and pesticides arrived, promising bigger harvests. Ram thought, finally a miracle. At first, it worked. Crops grew fast, pests disappeared, and the market loved the harvest. Everyone celebrated. But nature had a quiet reaction. Nitrogen-heavy fertilizers seeped into rivers, pesticides killed not only pests, but also soil workers, worms, fungi, and microbes that keep the earth alive. Fertilizers and pesticides have helped us grow more food than ever before. But beneath this green revolution lies a hidden cost, a cost paid by our soil, water, wildlife, and even ourselves. Let's now discuss about the 5 harsh effects Ram is facing by using fertilizers and pesticides. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers might make crops grow faster, but it slowly destroys the natural fertility of the soil. Essential nutrients are depleted, beneficial microorganisms die off, and over time, the soil becomes lifeless and dependent on artificial inputs. When it rains, chemical residues wash off the fields and enter rivers, lakes, and groundwater. This process, known as runoff, leads to eutrophication, where algae grow uncontrollably, suffocating aquatic life and creating dead zones in water bodies. Pesticides don't just kill pests, they harm pollinators like bees and butterflies, and affect birds, frogs, and other creatures that maintain ecological balance. Losing these species means disrupting entire food chains. Prolonged exposure to pesticides can cause respiratory problems, skin diseases, and even cancer in farmers. And traces of these chemicals can remain on fruits and vegetables, entering our food chain and impacting our health too. Every living being plays a role in nature's balance. For farmers like Ram in India, chemical overuse changes soil, kills microbes and helpful insects. The whole ecosystem suffers, driving pest resistance, erosion, and heartbreaking biodiversity loss. Fertilizers and pesticides were meant to feed us, but used unwisely, they can destroy the very planet that sustains us. The solution? Sustainable farming, organic practices, and awareness. Because protecting the ecosystem means protecting our future. Soon, fish started dying in streams, algae bloomed green across water bodies, and the soil became tired and weak. Farmers noticed declining productivity, even with more chemicals. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators dwindled, affecting fruit and vegetable yields. Children drank water with invisible chemicals. Some farmers suffered from headaches and long-term health issues. Pesticides, in short, were like noisy guests smashing a lamp while looking for a snack, solving one problem, but creating many others. But hope was not lost. Experts introduced smarter solutions, testing soil before fertilizing, using integrated pest management (IPM), adding organic matter, and protecting water sources. Farmers started practicing crop diversity and creating habitats for bees and butterflies. Small changes promised big results. Ram and his community learned practical measures. 1. Apply fertilizers only based on soil tests and split doses. 2. Use IPM. Monitor pests, use natural predators. Pesticides only as last resort. 3. Add compost, green manure and biofertilizers to rebuild soil life. 4. Protect water, buffer strips, wetlands. 5. Promote flowering strips and crop diversity. 6. Train farmers in safe pesticide handling and PPE. 7. Form cooperatives to share knowledge and resources. Over time, the village recovered. Fields became lush again, bees returned, markets thrived with vibrant produce, and water flowed clean. Ram smiled, knowing that healthy soil, clean water, and balanced ecosystems were the real wealth of his village. Today, Ram's story teaches us small, thoughtful changes in farming practices protect our land, our health, and our future. Act today. Protect soil, water, and life.